weekend, and we never do that much. What people usually do Easter time? Oh yeah, people go Ochi, so like everybody went to like the wee vacay, like week-long party series. Like it looks lit. I wish I could go, but honestly I cannot afford that lifestyle right now. But maybe next year. So next year we are touching wee vacay, right?
Yeah, you're not going to party.
I am going to. Bet me any money. Bet me right now. Bet me. What do you think I'm going to party? But tell you, the not so dirty 30 might get dirty after all. Girl might start going ourselves, you never know. So hey guys, right now I'm up on the road. Just to go to the supermarket. That's about it. That's about it. I hope your Easter has been good. I hope it's been better than mine. We've been eating lots of bun and cheese, fish and bun. I was watching MTM, like I was watching Wayne them. Even not watch them, but I do. I was watching MTM and them don't know say fish and bun is a thing. I don't know. I don't know if it's an uptown thing, but like I thought it was a universal Jamaican thing where people just eat fish and bun like during Easter time and that lit. So them don't even know them a miss out pan. So yeah guys, journey with us. But I'm not going to go to the supermarket. But I am going to throw it back to a couple days ago, which was basically like post birthday celebration same way, because as I tell you, I was celebrating for the entire weekend. So we did take the boys out to the Costa Farms, and they had like a new water slide or a new water park on the compound. So if you've ever been there, they usually have like this little water pad and like a little pool on the side, so they've now upgraded it to a full-on water park. It was fun. I never expected it to be so deep. I never prepared for swim, so it's like 3 feet or 4 feet, I don't even know. But you can swim if you want. You can take the kiddies out, and we had a blast. So you guys can go on and check it out. I'm gonna do a little flashback here, and then we'll come back to real time. And as you can see guys, the vlogs are pretty up to date now. It's like a week or 2 behind. Yeah. So if a girl don't do anything, I'm not gonna sit down. I'm not gonna sit down. If my weekends aren't eventful, if my weekdays aren't eventful, we're just gonna have some blank weeks. But fingers crossed, we're out on the road and we are doing things. And we can get the vlogs them consistently like one time. So yeah guys, let's throw back and then come back. Vlog time. What machine now work? Let's see, book.
Oh, the garbage.
Oh, thank you, baby. I no longer put this in there, but guys, we're on the road. We're heading to the beach. Well, it's not really the beach. Thank you. So we're heading to the Costa Farms with the kitties for a little, you know, chill day. Because the time's so hot, might as well. We wanted to go to the beach, but we changed our mind.
Mommy,
So guys, that's the pre for the day. I literally didn't get a chance to do anything with the boys for my birthday, so might as well go out and have a little family day. You'll be in my vlog. So yeah, that's the pre. Did I mention that it's Sunday? So yeah, perfect. You took it out?
right here.
Alright guys, so join with us this morning. Girl is half naked and out in the streets. I'm wearing this cute little blue one piece. So that is a cover up over and some little booty shorts. Might be too short for the, you know, family oriented beach or family oriented playground / water park, whatever it is. It's a farm. I hear them even have a real farm, but it is what it is. All that. Yeah. Alright guys.
Did you ever wonder? Yeah, do you ever wonder what he might be going through on his own and the demons that he's facing alone? I hate that sometimes I can't go home and it just ain't the same on the phone, no. But everybody's gotta go, don't they?
Yes, we do.
So if you need a hero, just look in the mirror. No one's gonna save you now, so you better save you.
Got the cute little baby. Saw him? is over there.
Huge.
They're huge. Alright, come, let's go.
Oh, sorry, icon. Sorry. Sorry, icon. Happy? Let's video the icon in it. Bless. Yes, sir. Huh? Oh shit, you did it for
And everybody's hurting, everybody's going through it. But you just can't give up now, 'cause you gotta save yourself.
Yeah, I gotta hang on.
The sun will come out, nothing good ever comes easy.
Wanna go in the pool? Soon. He's trying to shoot me. Come here, stop now. See Jabby coming on this lane. Joel, you want to drown, my child? Swimsy, swim! Swim, my mama! But apparently, apparently not that deep like I thought it would be. You know, someone get them some swim lessons, but I have to be there. Of course, them have it at them school, but me never think that. Me have to do it, 'cause I'm not able. Yeah. Come Bugsy. Alright, no problem. Javi, you're going by yourself. Wait on me now, wait on me, yeah. Okay, you go first, okay, go. Alright guys, now go. Okay. Shit in the wind. There's no water in this thing. Woo! There's literally no water in the thing. Maybe I push myself. No, sir. The slide are botched. There's no water in the slide, sir. I have to be pushing myself down the slide. You understand? No, I got on next time, but that was fun. For the 2 seconds that it lasted. Javi gone again? Alright, let's go wrap up in the town. Come. Guys, this is the one is cold, so may I bring him to wrap him up. Yeah, stay and watch Javi? Stay and watch Javi, look, okay? Look, you had fun on the side? Wanna go back? No? You better dry him off, he's freezing. Hi, see you cool little girl over there.
Don't you give up, the sun will come out, but we've been struggling endless days.
Punjabi? How many times you go on the slide since morning? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No, I think you went on 50 times. About 11. Boss love the slide so too. So the slide is over there. And I went on it and it was okay. Jamir, sit down. So yeah, we're just here chilling. It's about 3 o'clock now, so we should be heading home shortly. Because we've been here since like 1 o'clock. So yeah. We're finally leaving this place. Joel, how was it?
Fun.
What tell the boss them say it was fun. They said them go on the floor about 10 times. So yeah, we are cut. This in the cut, Patrice in the cut, Shane in the cut.
More than 10.
No man, about 30 times in the floor. evening.
Okay.
Come Bugsy this way. So it was a fun day overall. The boys enjoyed themselves. Did I come back and play some paintball? Did I come back and play paintball, Patrice? Here's them something they stinging and bust up your skin. Ah, yeah, I'm not in that one. But I'll watch. Jamaica Grandison. You're wicked to Jolly, man. Jamir! How that looks a boy not behaving himself. Guys, Mama just slipped down JC with the car. They tell him some Mama just looking. How are you gonna do? Go fair? You want go fair? Let me do it if we go fair. You know? What do you want?
You can't get your first month if you lose.
Slap you. Suppose you did chip off your foot. War in this. War in this. What do you look for? Supermarket Chronicles. Why this looks so blurry? I'm some enough to bring them in here, guys. Alright, I took up cereal. That's about it for this aisle. You wanna go sleep on the bed? Guys, we're picking mangoes. Why you don't wanna go pick mangoes with Daddy?
Because I want to drink something.
You wanna drink something?
Nope.
Alright, we're gonna drink something shortly. But yeah, that's the pre. It's Saturday and watch them over there.
Mommy.
Teeth! Yes, my love.
And remember wine?
Why?
Wine.
Lime and what?
Wine or green?
Yeah, limes are green, but those are mangoes. You see how them orange and pretty? You like mangoes?
Sure.
Sure, alright, we're going to cut some up and eat them. I'm going to show you the mango them we'll get. Got two criminal them over there. The teeth of the people in mango. So I'm going to show you all the mangoes.
Right.
What's the mango teeth them? Teeth! Guys, beer mango. Thief! What's Jamir? Hello, where you gone, young man? Get your ass over here. Some nice mango in the trees, isn't it? Right there. Loaded. Jamir, pick the mango them for me. Where's my mango? Where's my mango? Get my mango. Go on again. You got mangoes. Look how the mango them juicy. These are so good. I'm not sure what kind of mangoes they are, but I'm gonna mash up some of them here right now. And let me know in the comments if you're a mango lover and if you want some mangoes. I'll be sure to send some over to you. Okay? Look how girl cute. Look how girl cute. Good morning. So it's Sunday morning and we're heading out to church. Where else would we be going on a Sunday morning? We vacay? No. So we're going to church this morning. So we'll take you in, you know, the Lord's words. I don't know. As I always say, every time I go to church, I come home with a different feeling. So we'll see how it goes today. I'm going to share the word, as always. The girl is feeling kind of sick though. I don't know if I come down with something like last night, but I didn't even sleep. Honestly. I didn't sleep last night. I don't realize. You remember me again? Oh yeah, you feel like that. Yeah, I can't stand it. I didn't sleep last night. I think I got up about 2 o'clock. Then I get up again about 4. And then I had to get up at about like 6:30 to get ready for church. So I am on zero sleep. My nasal mountain, the boys are on the back. My nasal passage just feel away, and whenever I swallow, my throat feel away. Like, but literally, it's hard to swallow. So I think I'm coming down with something. Hopefully, I don't think it is. Hopefully, not contagious. Because I can't manage the boy. They go sick. You're there. You're just around there, cough. You can't sick if you like. I don't really worry about you. And you can't sick, so I can't worry about you. But the boys, them get sick easily. So that's what's up with me right now. So I'm not 100, but I'm gonna do my best to vlog today for you guys. I'm wrapping up this vlog today, of course, because I'm not doing anything else. So that's a praise. So join with us to church today. Hope you guys are having a blessed Sunday, and I hope it continues for the rest of the week. So I'm wishing you guys a fabulous, productive, and blessed week.
You could gain the whole world if Jesus is not the one you live for. Your life is not. Might I appeal that if you don't know Jesus, if you live your life today, only two classes of people God knows. He said he put some on the left. He says, depart from me, I don't know you. And he put some on the right. He says, enter down into my kingdom. And everything else that matters in this life has no significance in the next life unless you are walking with Jesus.
So guys, oh, this is really nice. Let me turn it like this. So church is over and we're heading home. We have another engagement to go to like a little later. I think I'm gonna take you guys along with me. But yeah, the word for today was basically, focusing on your spiritual connection with God, because this is when we die, when we leave here, we can't take all of these physical, earthly things that we also desire. The house, the car, the money, like we can't take any of that to the grave. So focus on your spiritual health, focus on a relationship with God, establishing a relationship with God, maintaining that relationship with God, and ensuring that your soul is safe. Because while we may not know what the next life entails, trust me, it's nothing like this one. And the word of God literally says you're supposed to prepare your soul for the next life, and you can only do that through Christ. So yeah, that's the word for today, guys. I'm tired. These heels are killing me, and Jess over there a mingle. He's over there mingling. Javi, did you enjoy church today? Look, you enjoy church today?
Yeah.
You want to come back next week? Okay. Say, my love.
Run out gas.
Run out of gas?
Look,
What does it say?
we cannot drive.
What? I thought Daddy filled it up with gas.
No,
Why do you think Daddy didn't fill it up with gas?
because today.
Why? He didn't have any money.
No,
So you're gonna give him some of your money to buy gas?
I didn't have none.
You don't have any money? What? Daddy, do you have money to buy gas?
No,
Why not?
because I didn't buy some.
You don't go to work today? When you go to work?
Nothing.
Who goes to work?
Daddy.
What? So Daddy's supposed to go to work and get the money?
Yeah, Jamaica, go show Daddy.
And what Mommy's supposed to do?
To make something.
Make something like what?
Exactly food.
What? Mommy's supposed to make food? That's not nice.
No, Jamaica.
See it? Get even closer. Make sure I do it.
Sure
I have a panic attack. Yeah, we don't want to fall off the end. we're in the cool hills of what is again? Bagwalk, Beer Bush. I thought I came from Bush, but listen, Bush everywhere. So as I mentioned earlier, they're having a little family gathering. I'm gonna bring and show the bits and pieces. So guys, that's the pre for today. So yeah, stay tuned.
Put in there, put in there, die. Make it stronger, I come back. Where you say go down? You come from the ground. You come from here.
Where a drink?
You come from here, sir.
What is that?
Where you drink? Some heavy? We'll do something better than that, man.
Ice?
But no.
See right there. Let's look at the vibes. Look behind you, Jenna. You should have seen my one of the climb coconut. See a little face?
The sun will come out, but we've been struggling endlessly. Someday we'll find love. Cause after the storms, when the flowers
Hello, vlog. Scrum-dilly, yum, a purr.
What time are you doing?
She don't have a lace front. Say hi. Go!
Until it's big. We have raspberry. Yeah. Yes. Don't touch it. It's very prickly and it can cut you. Oh. Look, Daddy found one. That mean it good? No, it didn't.
Scratch it. You know you can scratch it until.
Real crunchy, man. Guys, that's it for the day. Stop mocking me. So, it's basically like about 5 o'clock or so. Hold this from the books. And, why is this little boy mocking me?
This boy mocking me.
Stop mocking me.
Stop mocking me.
I said to stop.
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 Obviously, he's not stopping. So, hey guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here. It's the end of the day, and we're heading home shortly. I'm so tired. I'm so beat. At one point, it was even raining. So yeah, but it was a good day spent with family. You know, we just chilled and enjoyed ourselves and things. So yeah, I'm gonna close off the vlog here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Listen, was it an eventful vlog? Kinda, sorta, you know. It's just like the typical content over here. Like, you know, I don't really do road, so whenever I do road, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. And even if the vibes never turn up, it's content, right? And it's my life, and it's all I have to give you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and close it out here. Don't forget to leave a like on the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Help your girl get to 1K. I'm still on the journey, still going strong, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. You wanna say bye? Do you want to say bye? Say bye, boys.
Bye, boys.
Say subscribe.
Bye.
Say hit that subscribe button right now.
Hit that button right now.
Alright, bye.
Bye. Mommy.
What are you doing up there?
What are you doing up there?
Stop mocking me.
Stop mocking me.
You see what I have to put up with, guys? Do you see these two little rascals? The one here are rolling a red dirt from there. Him dirty like chop. We never know how to wash him clothes, but I don't mean.
Okay.
So, guys, I'm out.
Let's sit.
Yeah, I gotta hang on.
The sun will come out.